Have you ever wondered how your typed code in Python, Java, or C++ turns into actions your computer can actually perform? Programming languages are like translators between humans and machines. When you write a program, you're giving instructions in a language that's easy for you to understand, but your computer only understands binary, ones and zeros. That's where compilers, interpreters, and assemblers come in. These tools take your high-level code and convert it into low-level machine language step by step. This journey starts from source code, which is then processed by a compiler or interpreter, optimized, and finally turned into executable machine code that the CPU can run. Understanding this process helps you write better, faster, and more efficient code. Whether you're a curious beginner or an aspiring developer, this concept is the key to unlocking the magic behind every software you use. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and check out the full blog in the description for detailed visuals and examples.